Hello guys, welcome back to video. Today I am going to draw. Okay, what to do with my magic pencil? One, two. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. One, two, three. Zuma. I mean, I forgot his name. So, in Paw Patrol, he is the character of in a Paw Patrol. I forgot his name. So, maybe he'll collect the garbage. As his dialogue is green means go. But he don't like water. I mean bath. And he smell like garbage. So this is my hard work with this pencil. Observer pencil, I mean. Extra dark for good handwriting. Phew. This is my hard work. Please subscribe this video. Because this is my hard work to do drawing. To draw a Zuma. I mean a dog. Okay, bye bye. Please share, like and subscribe.